This is Crohn's and Colitis Foundation Perspectives on ReachMD. The following episode is brought to you by the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation and the American Gastroenterological Association.
Hi, my name is Alan Moss. I am a gastroenterologist at Beth Israel Deaconess S Medical Center in Boston and an associate professor at Harvard Medical School. I'm really excited to talk today about the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation's health maintenance checklist for patients with inflammatory bowel disease. This checklist is put together by the Professional Education Committee, and the goal is to provide a simple-to-use, easily accessible checklist that you can use with your patients to make sure their vaccinations are up to date, their screening is done for cancers, and that all their health maintenance requirements are up to date and available to check in the office. We update this every year, and the goal is you can find this on the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation website. You can find it there, download it, and use it in your practice to make sure all your patients' health maintenance needs are kept up to date with the latest recommendations in terms of vaccines and other procedures. So with that, I thank you for tuning in and for supporting the Crohn's and Colitis Foundation.
You've been listening to Crohn's and Colitis Foundation Perspectives. To access other episodes of this series, visit reachmd.com/foundation, where you can be part of the knowledge.